Gratitude for the day. I'll want to start off by saying that you should all be showing gratitude for the day. The best way to show gratitude for the day is to get up early. When you're managing the affordable housing community, you want to be getting up early. You want to get up earlier than pretty much all the residents. You should be getting up before the sun comes out. It should still be dark and cold when you get up. Because when you wake up early, as soon as that alarm goes off, you get up. You're showing gratitude for the day. You're saying, hey, I'm grateful to be alive. I'm grateful for a new day, a new chance to start over, another opportunity to make a difference. But if you sleep in, it's like you're not grateful. I understand sometimes you're tired. Sometimes like if you're really exhausted and you need a day, like I get that. But you know if you're getting up early every day and if you're not. You know inside your internally if you need to work on that or not. But that's just something I wanted to throw out there at the start of this video. This video is going to be about typing skills. Typing skills for affordable housing property managers. Yes, we do type. We got to type. The little buttons you press. Had a maintenance guy one time tell me, "You don't do shit here, Carlos. You don't do shit here. You just come here, you press a few buttons with your fingers, and then you go home." And yeah, that's true. We do press buttons with our fingers and we make things happen. So typing skills, you need to have typing skills. You want to do, like the 3,000 words per minute. You want to be able to type that fast. It's a skill, honestly. And so, a little bit about me is when I was growing up, I had a typing class. When I was growing up in school, they gave us typing classes and they had a book and you had to type things out, and then you learn the different keys and you learn how to position your fingers so that it's easier for you. Some people, they type like this with just one finger. Some people are pretty good at it, but ideally you want to get good at typing. So when we type, one of the things that we do is we type up notices. Notice is basically a letter that and is how we communicate with the residents in the affordable housing community. Is we send them a letter. It's called a notice, and this notice can either be mailed or posted on the door. What does posted mean? Posted means you stick it on the door. There might be a little hook, there might be a paper clip, a piece of tape, or you put it in between the crack, but basically you're leaving this letter on the door so that whoever's living there can find it and read it. It's a message for them, but somebody has to type this up. Who's going to type it up? Well, it has to be you. Especially if you're assistant manager, you're going to be doing a lot of typing. And it's very important that you're good at typing, because one of the things, and this happens in many fields, in any field you go to, your boss will always have a thinking moment where they have an idea and it's a really good idea and they want you to type it out. And so they'll tell you, okay, draft this, and they'll start talking. And you should be able to type and keep up with them talking. And you should be able, if they fuck up and say, no, change this, you should be able to go back quickly and change it instantly. You're able to keep up with your supervisor or keep up whatever who's dictating, or even a resident who's telling you something. You should be able to type and keep up with the same speed that they're talking. You're not going to be able to do it right away. It takes some time, but after a while you will get good and you'll become very quick and you'll be able to get a lot of the words on the paper. Nowadays, it's much easier because we have autocorrect. So a lot of the stuff will be autocorrected for you. You can edit it, you can separate it. So it's a lot easier nowadays. But typing skills is very important. If somebody's telling you something, you should be able to keep up. You want to type things up. So other things that we type up are leases too. So we have to type up information into the lease. We have to type information into different softwares that we use. We're typing. We're do a lot of typing. We work with a lot of words and letters. So you want to get good at typing. You want to get good at the keys. You want to get good at your keyboard. Figure out what the F buttons do. Figure out how to use your keyboard shortcuts. Learn your keyboard shortcuts. Try not to use the mouse so much. Some people, they don't even use the mouse. They just use the keyboard the whole time. They have ergonomic keyboards too. Those are good. They have like ones that'll, have something soft here for your hands, you could put something here on your hands. They have something that'll go on your wrist so that you can support your wrist while you're typing. Little tricks that you learn. Practice every day. They have typing games you can play too. I used to play typing games to get good, but typing is very important. In any field you go to, you're going to type, whether it's business field, even the maintenance guys. The maintenance guys, they have to type up too. They have a thing called technician notes where they have to enter the notes of whether or not they completed the job and how it was completed and if they need anything else or if they need to come back. So they're typing as well. And when you send emails out, you're typing as well. So everybody is typing. Every industry you go to, you're going to type. And it's very important that you learn how to type. And not so much that you learn how to type, but also learn how to type quickly, how to have high accuracy. And when you get good at that, you'll also get better at speaking and better at reading because you're working with words a lot. So it's all going to help out in the long run. I wouldn't sleep on it. Typing is very important, and we definitely do it in property management. And you'll do it in any field you go to. So definitely get good at typing. Play those typing games. Learn to type fast. Get somebody to sit in front of you and talk to you, and try to keep up with them. Practice. Practice makes perfect, but it'll pay off in the end. Typing is very essential.